These are 3 simple tests you can do to see how you're doing in terms of your longevity. So what does that mean? That means if you can easily get up off the floor to stand without the hands, that's a good sign. If you have good grip strength, that's a good sign. And if you can stand on one leg for a few seconds, that is also a good sign. We're going to do these tests together, and if you struggle with any of them, don't worry, you can practice, and you can practice yoga, moving well, breathing well with all of our videos to help increase these things and your chances of longevity. So let's try the first test. Sitting on the floor, we're going to come all the way up to stand and all the way back down. Try the other side. Change your legs, lift yourself up and all the way back down. Good. So that's the first test. If you need your hands, don't worry. You can keep trying, keep practicing. Test number 2, standing on one leg. So shift the weight into one leg and lift the other foot. Now you can do a fancy tree pose if you want to do your yoga, or you can just stand. So this is one you can do while you're waiting for the kettle to boil, while you're brushing your teeth, while you're chatting with a friend, practicing standing on one leg. Good. Should we try the other side? Bring the foot down, shift the weight, and again, see how you go. You can do anything you like here, fancy yoga pose or standing just with your leg out. See how you go. Is one side easier than the other? Good. And then the last test is your grip test. Now you need to find something heavy, so I'm just going to use a weight, but you can use anything in your house that you have that's heavy and slightly wider than a normal grip. So you don't want to just be holding something that's small that you can easily wrap your fingers around. You want something that's going to cause a bit of discomfort, stress and strain. So I have this heavy weight and it's not that comfortable to hold, and my fingers are really, really going for it on the grip. So you can practice here your grip strength, maybe a couple of heel lifts just for fun. And then lower the heavy thing down, wrap your fingers around it on the other side. This side's going to be harder for me. Lift it up, gripping as much as you can. Too much for me on that side. Okay, so there you go. You want to try grip strength. Maybe I'm going to go down a weight on this side. Okay, too easy now. But the idea is that you want to find something that you really have to force yourself to hold on to. And this will also help. So yoga has lots of tools and tricks that will help us increase all of these different skills. And these are markers of our longevity. So give them a go. Let us know in the comments below which ones are easy for you, which ones are hard. And then come practice yoga with us. All right. See you soon.